Hi everyone, I'm going to jump right into making my fan-shaped ornament here. I'll start off by folding my paper in half lengthways. Using the bottom edge, I'll fold this in half again. Then I'll grab the top edge and I'll fold this downwards. Flip over and repeat on the other side. From here, open up your paper. Then allow all the folds to collapse, so bring them together, bunch them up. So once I've done all that, I'll fold this in half. So I've made one little fan. I will glue the edges of the middle together and then I'll make a few more units and then I'll pop them together as a little decoration. Have your fans lined up on the table. I've got each second one facing a different side, and then use your glue to stick each edge onto the other one, and you get a bit of a wave pattern. It's really pleasing to look at. Depending on how many little fan units you make, you can have a little baby decoration or you can make something really long that you can hang up like a garland. Have fun picking out different kinds of paper. You could have foil, different patterns, alternating colours. I'm all done for now. If you hang these up, they tend to open more naturally. Otherwise, it's a really sweet decoration. Hi, it's Isabella from Bizzi Art here. If you enjoyed this video, or you want to learn more about origami paper, or if you're looking for origami paper to build on your stash, come check out my website. I've got the link in the description down below. Have fun!